Okay, today I received the Foster Mechanical Lubricator and I mounted it already on the plate here, and let's have a look inside. You see the small piston inside. You see also the crank which triggers the wheel and the pump. And what I done, I connected this crank to the end here of the steam pump crank. This is a piston going up and down, and on the back there is a screw, and I made a nut on my latte which enables me to have some form of an adapter from this side here, from the screw to via the nut going to these link. It's a cardan link. Why is this necessary? If you see, if I move up this crank here, it is not really up and down, it's a bit also in the form of a cycle, and so there's a lot of movement here, and the best way to overcome this problem is not a direct connection. The only way is, what I found, is using a cardan adapter, and on the top a normal coupling to the crank here. And I adjusted the whole thing in a way that whenever I move this cylinder up and down, I move here one tooth on the gear, only one tooth. So every time it goes up and down, it's just one small movement of the wheel. So this is a minimum of pumping you can achieve. And now what I have to build is on the back here is a tubing in the net of small tubes going to the various places, to these various positions of the crank. So I will build a tube with different small copper tubes which will then feed the different areas here with oil. This is what I have to do as the next step. But as you can see, once again, a step further. Thank you for attention.